Bright illumination. Combo beam along with advanced LED chips and PC lens make sure clear visibility for excellent driving experience. Water resistance. Perfect combination of protective cover, silicone sealing strip and waterproof rubber pad provides efficient waterproof effect. Adjustable bracket. The mounting bracket can be adjusted and slid. You can freely install the light bar according to your demand. Remarkable performance. Die-cast aluminum alloy housing, outstanding heat dissipation and steady mounting brackets, good performance. Package include 1 PC 234-watt LED light bar and mounting brackets. Specification. LED power, 234W, 78x3W high-intensity LED beam pattern, flood spot combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles, working lifespan, over 30,000 hours working temperature, -40 to 85 degrees Celsius LED color temperature, pure white 6000K 6500K material, 6063 aluminum alloy profile, high-quality LED chips, PC lens waterproof rate, IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Applications. Off-road lighting, Jeep, 4x4, car, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, train, boat, bus, outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, mining lighting, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note. Use a voltage transformer, converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Top reviews from the United States. Good result for dollar spent, overall an easy product. Be sure you get an appropriate wiring harness or be sure the one you have can handle the light you select.